Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about when you should not be driving rideshare, the days and times you should definitely be avoiding.
Yeah, I actually, again, please go check out our blog. I think third article, well, one just dropped yesterday. So, you had the idea of like do some top of the funnel stuff, right, Chris? Okay. So to yesterday's article, it dropped 15 hours ago on our blog. Please go subscribe to our free newsletter. Number one is www.therideshareguy.com. Just click and put your email and you will receive all my articles when they drop. So the last article I wrote, Chris, was about red flags. 10 different reasons why you should not accept a trip for newbies, especially, right? Because they don't know. And I think that will make a good video for us, which I think we should. But so this one, I know from LA that literally the reason we do the shows on Tuesdays at this hour, there is a thing in most cities. It may not be in every city, but in most cities, there is a day called Terrible Tuesday. And I figured that out by trial and error. Tuesdays are not a good day to do rideshare. And this article proves it. This came out on September 12th, literally. And one of the people they quoted here, his name is Edward Chitakian, a brother, Armenian friend, not friend, I don't know this man, former manager of Uber Fleet and CEO of Tempest Logic, said, if you don't have to drive on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, don't. Well, it's Terrible Tuesdays, so Tuesdays are usually slow, very slow. These are the worst because demand is low midweek, especially during the daytime, so there are longer waits. So, Edward, we already know this as drivers. That's why we do the show today. But, Chris, about 3 articles from today's article, I actually came up with the best times and best hours to drive. It's funny. Maybe they read my article and then they come up with this. Stay off the road during these times. So please go check that article out. If you're a newbie or a veteran, maybe you don't know. I mean, if you're a veteran, you should know where your city is busy, when and where to drive. But with that article, I laid down the law in 2025, when and where to drive, what days and what hours not to drive. This kind of echoes that article. And yeah, Terrible Tuesdays, man. That's why we do Show Me the Money on Tuesday, because nobody should be driving on Tuesday. Everybody should be watching us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Monday is not too bad, at least in my area. You get a lot of the bars that are closed down. So you have all the bartenders that are going out to the bars that are open. And then, 10 o'clock, usually around that time frame, 10 to like probably about 11 is when it really starts kicking in. All the flights start coming in. So you're getting a bunch of flights that pop up, until like 2 a.m. So Monday is pretty good if you go out then. But yeah, Tuesday sucks. Wednesday, it hit or miss, really hit or miss. But I mean, Thursday is great. And then, yeah, there's definitely different times. But again, when it comes down to it, you got to take a look at your market. You got to see what's going on, where rides are coming in. Use these third-party apps like, Taco Tuesday. There you go. I like Thursday though, because you're getting all the college people getting drunk and having fun. So you can take them out and
plus you have the NFL games. People go out, then Thursday NFL games. Look, all I'm saying is like Tuesdays are usually called Terrible Tuesdays, and that's why we do it on Tuesdays. So yeah, the when and where to drive. Again, if you're a newbie, if you're just watching us or whatever, don't drive on Tuesday. Make that your day off. Do your errands, run your errands, and whatever you're gonna do. If you have to work on Tuesday, work the morning shift. There are still airport trips happening. 5 a.m., get your butt up, grab some scheduled trips, do a few airport trips, and shut it down. Yeah. Because after that, it's
like
dead time.
Probably like 5 to 9 would be good. Anything after that, after No, actually about 10, because you're getting all the people who still going to work, late work, that type of thing. So probably like between 9 and 10 is where it's going to really start slowing down. After 10, switch over to food delivery or something, package delivery for a little while, and then it won't start picking up until just before rush hour.
Yeah. Plus Tuesdays, if you do have a ride challenge or if you do have a quest, which they disappeared altogether these days, not ride challenge, Lyft still offers it. That's your like hump day. So hit it hard on a Monday. Maybe you can take off a little easy on Tuesday and then hit it hard again Wednesday, Thursday, because you got to finish your quest or ride challenge. But the point is, that was the article about, and we would like to inform you, terrible Tuesdays is not a good day to make money. So.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.